Welcome to day 11. I made the turmeric and ginger shots today, and let's just drink this. Oh fuck, that's a strong flavor. And let's get on with our day skincare routine. Yeah, and I'm gonna take a shower too, so goodbye. Yo, so I'm on the way to the gym right now. I'm waiting for my friend, and the weather is so dark. I got this tripod from my dad, and I will use it to capture videos in the gym. So yeah, that's that. Alright, so we are in the gym right now. That's my friend. Yeah. So today is leg day. Yeah, let's do this.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. Baby, you get me.
It's a tiring day.
You give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Alright guys, so I just finished taking a shower, and I've also had a dinner, and I've also done our night skincare routine. Although I have a few things that I have to mention. So I just bought the new 4B skincare again, and there is something different with its moisturizer. As you can see, in the new ones, it's white. Now on the old ones, it has some slight yellow tint in it. That's the difference between these two, but the ingredients is still the same. So that's that. Day 11 is done.
Give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly.